Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you the easy way on how to restart your Windows laptop. Very quick and easy tutorial. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to press Windows plus X on your PC, and this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you need to do is to press U. The next thing you need to do is to press R. With that, your Windows PC will start restarting, just like what you see right here. And once it restarts completely, it will take you back to a Windows environment. So here, you can simply click on Restart Anyway, and all the file will start afresh, and everything about your Windows PC. After a successful restart, it's going to take you to your lock screen right here. Then here, you can go ahead and enter your lock screen password. I'm going to go ahead here and enter the login password. And you will be taken in back to your Windows environment, freshly look just like this. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.